What if exploring another country did not mean looking at it, but listening to it? Live, right now. There is a site that does exactly that. Free. This is Misa Reviews. So this is Radio Garden, a globe you can spin covered in thousands of little green dots. And every dot is a local radio station broadcasting at this moment. Click one in Lagos and you hear Lagos. Click Reykjavik and you get whatever Icelandic radio is playing while you sit there. No account, nothing to install. You drag the globe, click a dot, it plays. That is the whole interface. It works in a phone browser too, and the Dutch team behind it have kept it running since 2016. And the thing that makes it stranger than a map is the adverts. You end up listening to a car dealership in Manila, or a phone-in about parking in a town you cannot place. And that is far more like being somewhere than any photograph. The limits are real. Some stations are geo-blocked and will not play outside their own country. People in the UK hit that on UK stations, which is its own kind of insult. Dead streams turn up as station unreachable with no warning. And the phone app has a paid tier at about $2 or $3 a month, though the website stays free.
8 out of 10. Free, no sign up, genuinely unlike anything else. Losing points for dead streams and blocked stations. Do this with it. Spin to a country you have never thought about and give it 4 minutes of talk radio rather than music. The music travels. The talking is what makes it feel like somewhere real. If that beat doom scrolling for 5 minutes, hit like and subscribe to Misa Reviews and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.